guys coming to the boat.
Striker. Wait, what? Striker. Come off the motor.
Where are they going? I just stepped on somebody's boat. Yeah! What a fish!
Ah, yeah! Yes, buddy.
There's your big one, Pebble.
No, he ain't big yet.
He ain't big, is that what he said?
Unhook him.
You found, you...
You got a mess.
So just unhook him, and then we can
There
get
you
that
go.
out.
What a fish. What a fish. Heck yeah.
Let us get it unhooked first.